How to activate your Vanilla Visa gift card. So if you have a Vanilla Visa gift card, you're not sure what balance is there and whether it is activated or not. So today we will learn just that. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, activating or checking the balance for your Vanilla Visa gift card is simple. Just open up your browser and go to balance.vanillagift.com. I repeat, balance.vanillagift.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Then once you've done that, you will come to this page where it says manage your Vanilla gift card. Enter card details to check balance, review transactions, or activate gift card. So this particular page will also help you activate it if you haven't activated it. Just enter your card number, the expiration date, the year, and the CVV code, and then just tap on the continue option. And once you've done that, your Vanilla gift card will be successfully activated. And this way you'll be able to activate your Vanilla Visa gift card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.